Welcome back to another video, you guys. Today's video is a little different. Our channel promises coffee, so here it is. Here's one of my favorites I've just discovered at home. Recently I've been a little less able to get to Starbucks for various reasons, so this is one way I can make it at home. I'm going to make a cold brew drink tonight, and it's kind of close to the vanilla sweet cream cold brew that I really enjoy at Starbucks. So let's get into it and I'll show you what I've got here. I was at Fred Meyer's and they had these buy one get one free. I didn't really know what was the difference or what I wanted, so I bought one and got one free. And so I've recently discovered what the differences are. This one is 8 drinks in one bottle. This one, there's single servings and it makes 6, but they both do the same thing. I think, hindsight, I will probably buy this one because it's less one-time use plastic, and you get to make 8 rather than 6. You just have to pre-measure it yourself. I did open this one though, and this is what they look like. They almost look like a little K-cup. But this is the concentrate ready to pour into your drink. The instructions are super easy. Where do they go? So you just peel it, pour over ice, add 8 ounces of water, and enjoy. I also add in some sugar-free Coffee Mate vanilla creamer to make it a little more like that cold, the sweet vanilla cream cold brew. Just for those that might want to know, this coffee has 2 grams of carbs, which is important for me to know. And it's the same in this one or in the full-size bottle. The carbs are the same, so that's nice. And then this cream, carbs are 1 for 1 tablespoon. I use a little more than 1 tablespoon, but I have to think it's going to be a little better than the one that I got at Starbucks. So another cool thing I found, shout out to my daughter who absolutely loves these mason jars. The mason jars actually have measurements on the side, so when you need 8 ounces of water, it's pretty easy to get to. So let me grab that and we'll be right water. We'll put in some ice. Then we'll put in this little pod of coffee concentrate. Last thing is top off with the creamer. Again, you'll put this into your taste, or maybe even not at all if you're not a creamer fan, but everything fits perfectly in this little mason jar, and I just love it. One of these reusable straws that we have at home, and we're good to go. Let's go to Starbucks. Just gotta take a drink. Thanks so much for tuning into this video. I hope it gives you a different insight to some kind of cold brew drinks you can make at home. If I can find some links below, or if I can find some links for these products, I'll put them in the comments down below, so check that out. And let me know in the comments if you like this video, if you make cold brew at home, what kind of recipes you're doing. I am all about coffee and love to know. So until next time, you guys, thanks for tuning in. Make sure to give this video a like and subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next video.